In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a user on the TradingView website. TradingView is a powerful platform that offers a multitude of tools for traders and investors to track markets, share trading ideas, and learn from one another. Following a user on TradingView can be a great way to stay updated on their insights and analyses. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can effortlessly connect with others on this platform. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're on the home page of TradingView, direct your attention to the main search bar. This is typically located at the top of the page, and it serves as your gateway to finding a wide array of information, including charts, trading ideas, and user profiles. In this instance, since we're interested in following a specific user, we need to narrow our search specifically to people. So after you have the search bar open, you'll notice some tabs right beneath it which allow you to filter your search. The default might be set to show all kinds of data, including charts and ideas, but for our purpose, click on the People tab. This adjustment will refine your search specifically to users on the platform, making it much easier to locate the person you're interested in. Next, type in the exact username of the person you want to follow. Remember, the more accurately you input the username, the quicker you will find the right profile. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon. Now the results should display profiles that match or closely match the username you entered. When you see their profile among the search results, you'll want to click on it to open their full profile page. This page is like their personal trading hub where they can publish ideas and updates. It's crucial for assessing whether this person is worth following based on the content they share. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see a follow button. This is usually prominently displayed, often near the top of their profile. Clicking this button will enable you to receive updates and notifications whenever this user posts new content. This allows you to keep up with their latest trading insights directly through your TradingView account. And there you have it, you followed a user on TradingView. Make sure to check out their posts periodically, and who knows, you might find valuable trading ideas that resonate with your own strategies. Take advantage of TradingView's community by not only learning from others, but also by contributing your own insights when you feel ready. That's how you deepen your involvement and understanding in the trading community. Happy trading!